My name is Erasto, and today, as we are celebrating 30 years anniversary of Roots and Shoots, I'm very happy and very proud to be part of this program. That in my lifetime I've witnessed like a profound impacts that has been made to the communities and more specifically to the young people, and have seen and witnessed like huge changes in leadership skills, values, and confidence, and the growth of the young people at first hand on how they come and practice leadership skills, leadership roles, and values to their communities, and how that helps the community to adapt and demonstrate the milestone behavior changes, milestone altitude changes, and on perspectives on how they look and perceive animals' rights and the environment, the communities, and how they feel up themselves being part of all this cycle, and how they bring up projects that they give solution to these areas, the animals, the communities, and the environment as well. I'm pleased that today I'm being awarded as this Lifetime Achievement Award, and I'm so pleased with Jen Goodall, the steps and the life that I've gone through with her, the lifetime I've gone through with the program, and seeing the program when we started in Dar es Salaam very young and a few schools around. Now, today we are celebrating thousands of clubs, thousands of members all around, thousands of projects, thousands of solutions to our community. So I'm very proud and I'm very happy, and my heart really celebrates to be given this lifetime award membership with the program. And thank you so much, and happy 30th anniversary, Roots and Shoots. Thank you.